Hi, everyone. Thank you all for coming tonight for the computer science project presentation. So today's computer science project is a Roblox car game built by David, who's a 7th grade student, and I am your host. So today we are firstly going through the introduction, which is what we're doing right now, and then we're going to let you do a speaker demo of his project, and then we're going to be headed towards question and answer section. Okay, David, may I ask you to share your screen and then do a presentation?
Sure. All right, so I'm David Lee. I'm in 7th grade currently. I go to Foothills Middle School. I'm 13 years old, and yeah, that's all you need to know about me. And so basically, this project was inspired by a popular driving game called Art of Rally, which was kind of discontinued for a while. And I have like implemented lots of aspects from the game, and the game also takes aspects from games on Roblox like Vehicle Simulator and Ultimate Driving. And so how I created my project, I used Roblox Studio to build my project. I configured an HSCS script and edited the gauges, tower handling aspects, and other things. HSCS is a script that all cars in Roblox use, or maybe all the good cars, that is. But basic HSCS car physics are terrible, so I edited it to be more smooth. I also used plugins like Part to Terrain and Main plugin, plus a lighting kit that transforms the game. I stole the actual car bodies from the library as I do not know how to build cars using Blender. And so the next steps. My favorite part about working on this project was making the map and car chassis. I said if I was going to continue working on this project, I would add these 3 things. More detailed map, more cars, better trees, because the trees in the current map are literally clipped through buildings, which I cannot fix. So thank you. And let me bring up the game real quick. All right, so the place is currently loading, so I'll give it a few seconds. All right, there it is. So it took a while to load because it's a pretty big game, and yeah, the map still hasn't loaded yet. So as you guys can see, I basically took the base plate and I used a part to terrain plugin to basically turn the parts into terrain, like the title of the plugin says. And then I used the part, and then I used the terrain editor to paint the part so that it actually has dirt and stuff. And then I made this track, either that or I stole it off someone. I don't remember that well. But yeah, and then the car models I kind of stole off of Roblox. So, because yeah, I don't know 3D modeling and stuff. Oh my god, this is so laggy. Anyways, so basically, I used a bunch of plugins as you guys can see up here, and for example, the rain, which yeah, gives the game rain. That's it. And so if you okay, so if you go into run, you could see that the graphics kit would work in when you actually start playing the game. So this will take a while to load. All right, so as you can see here, the graphics kit is currently in effect, but the half of the game has not loaded since my computer is slow as hell. And all right, so if you actually hop into the game, you guys could drive the cars. So how about I share the game with you guys right now? All right, so you guys could play it right now. So feel free to hop in the game if you want.
Yeah, David has sent a link to his game in the chat. So everyone, please join if you feel comfortable. Do I need a Roblox account for this?
Yeah, you have to get a Roblox account for this, just like every single Roblox game ever, because yeah, they removed the guest feature like 4 years ago. So yeah, you have to get a Roblox.
David, may I ask that? So after we enter, is it going to be multiplayer or is it single player?
it is multiplayer, but then the cars cannot regen right now. So yeah, it's a bit annoying, but I'm trying to get a regen strip right now. Since this game is still a work in progress and isn't fully done yet, but it's one of my best racing games that I've built. Now I do build other games too, like
Hi.
David, would you mind if I share my screen to see how that
sure,
works?
I won't mind.
Okay, I already. Well, oh, I see other people also. Are
Yeah,
those NPCs or are those other players?
it's other people, because yeah, why would I have NPCs in a driving game unless
That's
it's some quest?
true. Okay, that's true. It's actually so fun. It's interesting. It's fun.
Yeah, yeah, I disabled the music because it was too loud, so I'll re-enable it afterwards, because yeah, after all, yeah, it was some free music I got from the Roblox library,
Are
you know.
different cars is it different in their drivings or they're like the same?
Well, yeah, there are different variants of cars, like, because you can't have a driving game without a variety of cars.
Okay, that's
Because the free model cars are usually interesting, and they either don't work right, are stuck in place, or are just roadblocks themselves made it, which isn't a good look.
nice.
Because Roblox, they don't make good cars, but you know what? It's a good start. You know, I'm talking about Roblox themselves, not the community. The community kind of makes awesome cars.
Okay. So how about well, we're all like trying out the game. Does anyone have any question to ask David? We just count this as our question and answer section. Actually, David, I think I have a few suggestions if you want to listen to. So first, I believe like adding like a map or like we basically let the player know that what position they're on the track will be useful. For example, like at a map from the top view at the left hand corner or the right corner or anything. I think that would be helpful. And also like of the car driving motors, like I think you can lower that a bit. But anyways,
Well, that's the usual car sound.
yes, that's true. If no one has any questions, we'll probably just like uh end the meeting right here, or we can keep going while you play the game if you want.
Sure, you guys could play the game anytime you guys want. So
Yeah,
yeah, because after all, I just like hit like 1,000 visits recently, so
nice.
that's all I have
Good
to
job.
say. So
Thanks everyone for coming, and thank you, David, for this awesome project, awesome game. And then